We got permission to be here. This is kind of bumpy. I think this one will be the best. All right, well, we got permission to be here after hours. Yeah, just in case I was caught. Is that first? Yeah. That was not bad. Still not a lot of room. Yeah, we can pretty much only do first gear power-ups here. It's not a lot of room. Nice. Oh, that one was good. Little baby one. Turning up the idle. This is my buddy. He got a new stunt bike, and he just finished pretty much rebuilding it. It is a Kawasaki 636 with an idler screw. Nice, stoppy. I don't want to fall. Yeah, it feels like it is.
I don't know if you heard it when I was coming down. It went out.
On the street?
Yeah, I didn't have full throttle.
I didn't hear that. I heard you accelerating, but I didn't hear it cut out.
Yeah. I'll keep trucking with it, but it still feels like it's cutting out on me.
Yeah, that bike's having a little issue where the fuel's cutting out. actually my old taillight that he has on there. The one where the lens fell off. Come on. There we go. That one was decent. Decent! Came down a little crooked on that one. Not bad. Oh, that was a really good one. That second one was good.
The way towards the back.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one was good. That was real good. Yeah, the handbrake and everything too. How do you turn it off? Oh, here we go. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, so he got permission to be here. We got told to stay away from the pumps. Don't run into the pumps. That's pretty much all we got to do. And it's private property, so cops would have to call the owners.
I just saved it from the 12.
I heard it. I didn't see anything though.
Oh my god. I went all the way up 12. And I just tapped that brake pipe, it's right back down.
Nice. Yeah, that one of them where when you came down, something sparked when you hit the ground.
Oh, it's probably my exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's oh, look at that. Yeah, it's done that a few times, but oh my god, I got a cramp in my right here.
Yeah, I heard it, and then I heard you yell, and I was like, oh geez.
Yeah, that was a full fucking 12.
Thank God for handbrakes.
Oh. No, that was a foot brake. I haven't got used to reaching up for that handbrake yet. That was all.
Oh really?
Yeah. Well, I haven't got that down yet.
Wow. Well, that's good then.
Huh?
That's good then.
Yeah, but now I know. Now that I've practiced, I know like what the sound range I need to be in to get it up like that though.
Yeah. I mean this really isn't a lot of room, so I'm just doing first gear right here. It's not really enough room for second gear.
But what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to learn to where I need to be to get it up.
Mm-hmm.
Quick, slow. So just, you know, I don't want to be going 45 miles an hour to have powered up or clutched up. I want to be able to get up at a few miles an hour and stay in a short area in a small lot.
Yeah.
So, which, getting there, holy fuck, my sunburn between my legs are hurting. Along my knees. Like, I'm so nervous just watching out for fucking cars.
Yeah, that one that passed by was an Explorer. That first one.
So I figure since we're at a gas station, it's not gonna be too bad. There's like, oh, a couple bikes getting fuel, you know, like.
Yeah. Did you get that system update today too?
I haven't got any update yet.
Oh, mine downloaded before we left.
That's another thing you work on. Make sure don't slam it down too hard.
Yeah. You'll be replacing your fork seals.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, your light on there was plenty bright on the front.
Oh yeah, I shut it off. I need to recharge it here soon. And set up video over there.
Oh,
Continuous video.
should have brought my cardboard thing. You set it against the curb, maybe. Yeah, that works. You can see pretty much the whole thing.
So the next question is, how loud are these bikes really being?
I don't know. I'm always on the bike, so I don't know.
Yeah. I'm just curious as for that person, and then I don't think neighbors over there. I don't know.
That's a business.
Yeah, but
These are all businesses right here.
behind it.
Yeah, down the other side of the avalanche place.
I'm gonna keep going for a little bit. Before long, dip out.
Yeah. Do a few more laps.
Yep. I don't want to wear this spot out. That way.
Yeah, and then we can just go the other way around. Because technically you're not supposed to turn left there. There we go. That was a good one. That was pretty good. We got a car coming though. Oh, they're just getting gas. Oh boy. They're just getting gas. Oh wait, never mind. All the pumps are stopped. They can't even get gas because all the pumps are stopped. They stop them at 10, maybe, probably. You can't even do it with the card. Yeah, this air right over here, that's free. Anytime you need to fill up your tires. The air is free. I filled up the Shelby the other day. The vacuums cost, but the air is free. You just plug it in. It's always on. Yeah, that's the vacuum. The air is the other one. You just plug it in your tire and it goes.
Must have just enough in the system.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I paid for a vacuum right then.
Yeah, you probably did, because I went in there to ask him. I cut a $1 bill. I was like, I need some quarters. He's like, oh, air's free. I had a good wheelie too. Nice, nice. That was good. I don't know if I got that on camera or not. Yeah, that one was give it too much gas after you land. That's probably what happened when I crashed. That was nice. Oh, that was a really good one. Nice, nice, nice. I'm afraid to do a clutch up in first because I don't want to loop it. Ah, that sucked. Oh, that was good. I caught the end of that. What?
When I get in it, boom, boom, it's pretty fucking loud.
Yeah, a little bit.
Split for the moment.
Yeah, I wish we had more space. It's not too bad though.
Well, there's more up here. I just want to get a feel for this place.
Well, oh, you mean this road right here?
No, this little thing in front of the businesses.
Oh, I was gonna say you don't. I mean, you have permission from them, but not from them.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
If they pull us over, it's gonna be over here.
Yeah, yeah. But this little service road right here might be good.
Yeah, then we're going back onto their property for sure.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, let's split for a moment.
All right.
Let this place out.
You gonna turn your light on? I don't know what you're waiting for. Alright, quick little video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.